Zoisha.
Hey guys, so yeah, weird environment, but I'm at the gym. Goody is serious this time. Like, I'm getting my body ready for my wedding. Like, I'm gonna be on fire. Like, I'm getting my body ready. So, first day in the gym, so nervous. And I have my cousin here. He's my trainer. So, yeah, yo, I did some machine just a while ago. Something for my abs. Yo, Bridget, but feel it already. Like, yo, just picture me, you guys, in my bath suits. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. Okay, no, but seriously.
I'm not telling a lie, I'm a pain up. Like, pain up. I don't do no type of workout yet. Like, but just wait for it. My muscles, oh, look at that. They're already almost there. Okay. Talk to me, good. Talk to me. Nice. Hey guys, good morning, by the way. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. Why am I awake on a good Saturday when I'm supposed to be in my nice warm bed? So I'm going to the gym. I'm going to the gym. You know what I realized I didn't do? Was like show like a before or an after, or like explain really what it is that I'm going to the gym to kind of like work out on. Okay, so my legs, they need to tighten up. My body needs to tighten up. My arms, like only my hands should be saying hi, you know. My back fat, like my back roll, like you see all of this. Well, I don't mind if I'm like moving and it turns like that, but like if it's just permanently like that, so this gots to go. This gots to go. Number one, gots to go. Like this really, my midsection, gots to go. And then yeah, like if I take off a couple pounds, if I take off a couple inches, like yeah. So those are like my main areas of focus. So like yeah. So anyways, I'm going to the gym. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Yo, I'm tired. Fuck. Anyways, yeah. What?
Hola, muchachos.
I just did.
Me know.
Bitch, I started at last 50.
No, thank you. No, thanks.
What's that?
But it's strong.
Oh, light, right?
So it's supposed to be heavier than that? Sorry. My arms are hurting already.
Sets of 10 are 20.
I get the hiccups. Jesus. Oh. Yes. Oh God.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh God. Yeah, because they're already hurting from before. Now I'm gonna feel it more yesterday. But I feel this. I like this one because I can feel it in my back. Yeah. All right. Oh God. Yeah, the machine have to go. Eat it.
Yeah, on there.
Yo. Oh my God.
Yeah, the good one. Continue.
Oh man. Yo. Yep.
Ready?
That one there? We have to gradually get to that one there. Like, yo. I don't know if it's because you're lying down. But fuck.
Feel it, right?
Yo. Feel it. That's gonna be my best friend. It's gonna be my enemy, but my best friend.
Yes.
It's not, me do, I can't manage me to turf you. That's all I'm doing. I'm sorry, no worries. No worries. There you go, it's all yours.
Yeah?
Yeah, I was just wiping it off.
Thank you.
No worries.